Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI P30 Pro, and today I will show you face unlock test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable, so let's make a few tries. As you can see, it works really fast. I think it's a little bit faster even than the fingerprint sensor that we can find in the display in this smartphone. So that's great. It also recognized my face if I try. So as you can see, the face unlock works really good in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.